Hey guys, so I am on my way to go grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. I haven't been there in forever, so I'm really excited to go. I might film in there a little bit, but I'm really not big on filming in public, so we'll see about that. Otherwise, I will just show you what I got afterwards. So we are here. I've got my mask on and I'm getting ready to go in. Corn cookie. I've never heard of a corn cookie before. Okay, so I need some salad or some lettuce to make salad. Spring mix, baby lettuce, arugula. Look at that. I think I'll get this too, this spring mix for salads. What is this? Organic French rolls. Never had these before. Okay, now I need to get some bread. I'll just get that for the kids. Okay, I need to get some sort of nuts. They got cashews. Lots of cashews. Almonds, hazelnuts, some dry roasted and salted almonds. What are these blueberries? These are like freeze-dried blueberries. I've never seen those before. Walnuts. Okay, now I need to find some sort of meat. Chicken, ground beef, some steak, ribeye steak, got some steak strips, steak tips for kebabs, some more chicken. This looks good. What is this? Balsamic rosemary beef tips. That sounds good. It's a little expensive. Okay, now I need some cheese. I got Havarti, pepper jack, some Colby Jack. I like Colby Jack cheese. New Zealand organic sliced cheddar cheese. And some string cheese. Some light string cheese. All this cheese looks so good. I need to get a block of cheese. Wisconsin sharp cheddar, New Zealand grass-fed sharp cheddar. Need some fruit or some salads. There are lots of different salads. Harvest salad. Field fresh chopped salad with chicken. These all look so good. Corn and quinoa salad. Hummus and pretzels. Waldorf salad. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know what I want. Cobb salad. That looks good. Might get a couple of these. So here is my whole Trader Joe's haul in the back of my car, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so this is my haul from Trader Joe's. My original budget was, I was going to try and stay around 100, but I ended up spending 189. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a long time, and so there's a lot of things that I wanted to get, and I really honestly didn't count it all, so this is what I ended up with. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Got some sliced white mushrooms. I got some organic string cheese. I never had theirs before. I don't know if it's good or not. I got 2 of these, it's kind of covered up. The Icelandic style Skyr, I'm not sure how you say that. Low-fat yogurt, low-fat vanilla yogurt. It's 1.5% milk fat. This is Trader Joe's brand. I've had these before. They're good, but they're a little bit thicker than I'm used to, but I do like them. I got 2 of those. I got a block of this Trader Joe's Wisconsin extra sharp cheddar cheese. I've not had this before, so there's that. And this is, how much is this? 0.6 pounds. So in here I have, I don't want to get it out because I'm just doing this with one hand. I can open it. I got 1 squash and 1 zucchini. I got this bag of spring mix lettuce, baby lettuces and greens. I also got a bag of arugula, but I left that in the refrigerator. So there's that. I got these, let's see, Fresh Garden Highway Fresh Cuts veggie kebabs. It's got mushrooms, cucumber, onion, peppers, squash. I think that's about it. Oh wait, I guess that might be zucchini. I'm not sure if it's zucchini or cucumber. So there's that. I got 2 of these Trader Joe's Cobb salads with grilled chicken, bacon, blue and gorgonzola cheese and ranch dressing. Got 2 of these. They were kind of expensive though. It was $5, and it does have a lot of stuff in it, I guess, but it's kind of a smaller salad. 9.5 ounces. So there's those. I also got this Mediterranean style orzo pasta salad with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. I think it has onions. I thought it had onions. I've gotten this before. It's just nice to have on hand. Yeah, I think it has onions in there, but it didn't say on the label. I think it has, let's see. I thought it has feta. Not sure why it doesn't say all this on the front. I believe it's the orzo spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, onion, and feta, I believe. So there's that. This is what, 12 ounces. I got some eggs. It's a 12 pack of eggs. Grade A jumbo eggs. And I actually got a lot of stuff, so this is only about half of what I got. I'm gonna have to come back in a little bit. Okay, and I got these Trader Joe's cookies, Way More chocolate chips cookies. These are so good. My kids already had some of these. Got some Trader Joe's sliced Colby Jack cheese. It's 12 ounces. I got some shredded mild cheddar cheese. Got some Trader Joe's roasted garlic chicken sausage. Which I'm mad, I got all this stuff and I forgot to get, I got this chicken, but I meant to get their frozen chicken breasts and I completely forgot. Like the one time I get to go, and I forget one of the major things I wanted. Okay, so Trader Joe's peppered beef hanger steak. This is kind of expensive. It was $16.89. It's $12.99 a pound, so it's 1.3 pounds. So I thought that this was in chunks like the other one I got. This one's like one piece. But I thought it was the steak tips like this. They're right next to each other. I didn't really look at it. Balsamic rosemary beef steak tips. This is like the steak chunks. And this one was $12.59. It's 1.26 pounds. There's that. They both look really good. Maybe we'll put the peppered steak on the grill. Okay, so there's that. I got these. It's called Heavenly Villaggio Marzano tomatoes. Cute little tomatoes. I thought it was really nice. The cashier, the first bag of those I had, I guess there was a bad one in it because she told the girl that was helping her, she said this one has a bad tomato in it, and she went and got me a whole new thing of tomatoes. I didn't even ask them. Thought that was nice. I really like Trader Joe's. They're always, I feel like everyone there is really nice. Okay, so I got Trader Joe's orange juice, no pulp from concentrate. And I got the heavy Trader Joe's chocolate whole milk for the kids. I got some raw California premium walnut halves. This is a pound. And the dry roasted and salted almonds. This is another pound. And then I got like these little packages. It says just a handful of raw almonds. There's all these little bags. I don't know if it says there's 13 bags of almonds, and each bag is 1.25 ounce. You can see there's little bags, individual bags of almonds in there. It's Brussels sprouts. These are raw Brussels sprouts. I guess it says you can microwave these. I got these yogurt cups, probably for the kids. The one side is the blueberries and cream, and the other side is vanilla and cream. Trader Joe's brand, little yogurt cups. So that is all I have on this portion. I'm gonna go get the rest of my stuff and I'll be back. Okay, so here's my other half of items. The first thing I got was this Trader Joe's Peruvian style chimichurri rice with vegetables. I love this rice, it's so good. I got the Trader Joe's Paneer Tikka Masala with spinach basmati rice. I got these organic silver dollar pancakes. I wanted to get the kids waffles, but all they had was gluten-free, and then they had the ones with, I think they're regular waffles with blueberries, but they don't like blueberry waffles, so just the pancakes for now, for breakfast. I got the asparagus risotto, which is so good. I got the strawberry cereal bars. I got the Trader Joe's organic chocolate chip chewy granola bars. I just got some regular white bread. Got a bag of these Trader Joe's potato tots. I took this out of the box so it fit in the freezer, but I got this pizza. It's like a 4-cheese pizza. Oh, I didn't realize these are gluten-free. I got the JoJo's cookie. I got the JoJo's cookies. They're kind of like Oreos. These are gluten-free. I didn't notice that before. I got the Trader Joe's organic olive oil spray. I got these Trader Joe's veggie and flaxseed corn tortilla chips. I've never had these before, so I'm not sure if they're any good. What's that? And I got these veggie sticks. These are pretty good. The Trader Joe's macaroni and cheese, Wisconsin cheddar. I don't think we've had their macaroni and cheese before, but it was 99 cents, so I figured I'll grab a box. I did also get toilet paper, but I didn't get that out. They seem to have, you know, it's not a large store, but they had multiple packs of toilet paper. They had cleaning supplies, and they didn't seem to be running out like other stores that I've been to. So if I need to get something, I might go back there. But I already spent so much on this stuff, I didn't get anything like that. Just the toilet paper. Trader Joe's beef chili with beans. I've never had their canned chili before, so we'll see what it is. But I like basically everything I've ever had from them, so I'm sure I will like it. Trader Joe's chunky salsa. It's fat-free, which I didn't realize that salsa had fat. There's that. One other thing I wish I would have gotten when I was there is I always love to get their pumpkin bread mix. I always like to get the pumpkin bread mix and chocolate chips, especially in the fall. But next time I will get that. And I got the Trader Joe's Mexican style roasted corn with cotija cheese. It's really good. I've had this before. They were out of like a few frozen items. There was a few different things that were sold out, and I usually get the vegetable fried rice, but they were all sold out, so I got the chicken fried rice, which is good too, but the chicken isn't really necessary for me. I usually put fried egg in it. But there is that. That's everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye. Build your life. Do it yourself.